Livestock diseases. They are the silent thief in the night, robbing farmers of their hard-earned profits and jeopardizing the health of their animals. From small family farms to large commercial operations, no one is immune to the threat these diseases pose. Imagine this: you've poured your heart and soul into raising a healthy herd, only to watch helplessly as an unseen enemy strikes, decimating your animals and leaving you with nothing but heartache and financial ruin. The impact of livestock diseases extends far beyond the individual farm. These diseases can disrupt entire agricultural industries, leading to shortages in food supply and economic instability. In a world grappling with the challenges of food security and sustainable agriculture, understanding and combating livestock diseases is more critical than ever before. Livestock diseases are a diverse and formidable foe. Let's shine a light on some of the most common culprits. Foot and mouth disease, FMD, affects cloven-hoofed animals like cattle, pigs, and sheep. It causes painful blisters leading to lameness and reduced productivity. Mastitis, a painful inflammation of the udder affecting dairy cows, often caused by bacterial infections entering through the teat, avian influenza. This viral disease affects poultry, including chickens and ducks. It ranges from mild to highly pathogenic, causing high mortality rates. These are just a few examples of the many diseases that can impact livestock. Understanding their characteristics helps develop effective prevention and control strategies. Livestock diseases can spread through various channels, often with alarming speed and efficiency. Understanding these transmission routes is crucial for implementing effective biosecurity measures. Direct contact between infected and susceptible animals is a primary mode of transmission. This can occur through nose-to-nose contact, shared feeding or watering equipment, or even through the air. Indirect transmission is another significant concern. Contaminated objects such as clothing, footwear, vehicles, or feed can carry disease-causing organisms from one location to another, unknowingly spreading infection. Vectors such as insects, rodents, and wild birds can also play a role in disease transmission. These creatures can carry pathogens on their bodies or in their feces, potentially introducing diseases to livestock populations. Section 4. Spotting the silent thief, recognizing the signs of sickness. Early detection is paramount in managing livestock diseases. Recognizing sickness early allows farmers to isolate infected animals and prevent spread. Visual observation is a powerful tool. Watch for deviations in behavior or appearance. Are your animals less active? Have they lost their appetite or drinking more water? These changes can indicate illness. Physical exams reveal further clues. Check for fever, nasal discharge, coughing, or diarrhea. Pay attention to eyes, ears, and mouth for signs of disease. Section 5. Fighting back treatment and management of livestock diseases. Once a livestock disease has been diagnosed, prompt and appropriate treatment is essential to minimize losses and alleviate animal suffering. Antibiotics are often employed to combat bacterial infections. However, it's crucial to use antibiotics responsibly and only when necessary to prevent the development of antibiotic resistance. Antiviral medications are available for some viral diseases, but their effectiveness can vary. In many cases, supportive care, such as providing fluids, electrolytes, and nutritional support, is crucial to help animals recover. In severe outbreaks, depopulation may be necessary to prevent further spread of the disease. While this decision is never taken lightly, it's sometimes the most humane and effective way to protect the wider livestock population. Section 6. An ounce of prevention, protecting your herd from disease. Prevention is always better than cure, especially when it comes to livestock diseases. By implementing robust biosecurity measures, farmers can significantly reduce the risk of introducing and spreading diseases on their farms. Quarantine. New animals should be quarantined for a period before being introduced to the main herd. This allows time for any potential diseases to manifest, preventing them from spreading to the entire flock or herd. Hygiene, maintaining a clean and sanitary environment, is paramount. Regularly clean and disinfect barns, stalls, and equipment. Provide fresh water and ensure adequate ventilation to reduce the buildup of harmful pathogens. Vaccines are available for many common livestock diseases and are a highly effective way to protect animals from infection. Consult with a veterinarian to develop a vaccination program tailored to your specific needs. Section 7. Success stories, real-world examples of disease prevention. Across the globe, farmers are successfully implementing disease prevention strategies to protect their livestock and livelihoods. Take, for example, the poultry industry's efforts to combat avian influenza. By implementing strict biosecurity protocols such as controlling access to poultry houses, requiring protective clothing for workers, and disinfecting vehicles entering and leaving farms, many countries have successfully reduced the incidence of this devastating disease. Similarly, dairy farmers are employing comprehensive mastitis control programs, including proper milking hygiene, regular teat dipping, and prompt treatment of infected cows to safeguard milk quality and animal welfare. These success stories demonstrate that by prioritizing prevention, we can create a healthier and more sustainable future for livestock farming.